I'm Saba from Saba's Photo Studio. In this video, I'll show you 3 different ways to remove background in Photoshop, fast and clean. Method 1. This is the fastest way, just one click. We have to select our subject, then go to Properties and remove background. This works great for simple backgrounds, but struggles with hair and details. You can see our background removed. Method 2. This method gives more control and better edges. We have to select subject, then go to select a mask. We can refine edges by this brush, or if you have curly hairs, you can refine hairs also with this one. And then while we are exporting, we have to choose layer mask. Now you can see it has removed. Method 3. This is the most professional method and the cleanest one. We can run the subject by pen tool. And then convert to selection. We can have some feather around 5, 3 or 5. Then we can create a mask. Now we remove the background. This takes longer, but clients expect this level of quality. Each method has purpose. Speed versus control versus perfection. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment which method you use most.